welcome to Motovlog number 14. Today's ride plan is we are going to Pari Chowk towards Greater Noida. Meeting point at Lajpat Nagar. We'll be there in 2 minutes. Sir, good morning. Sorry. Yeah, last time I met you was here only, about 6 months ago. Kya Anand ji? Hi Aman. How are you ji? Oh. Sorry. VIP first. Yeah. Sachkal sir, how are you? Right there. Sachkal sir, how are you ji?
Good morning, how are you?
Very good ji. Sachkal sir. Sir, बिल्कुल ठीक जी. बड़ी देर बाद तेरे को तो 1-2 साल बाद मिल रहा हूँ. ठीक है? Hi, white. Very nice. How are you sir? Long time, very well जी. Hi, good. Oh, Sachkal sir, क्या हाल है जी? बहुत सालों बाद. ठीक हो? अरे फिट हो यार. ये फोटो ही देख के खुश होना है मैं. डॉग. Left the meeting point on our way to D&D toll, and then we should head on to Pari Chowk, Greater Noida. Today's going to be a short ride, but I'll try and capture whatever I can. We're heading back now. We'd stopped just short of Pari Chowk. We'd actually stopped at the entry of the Agra Expressway. We'll just take a U-turn from Pari Chowk and then head back home. Short ride, not much content, but it's fun. I think we came on this road, at least the group's been coming, but I've come on the Greater Noida Expressway I think after about 6 months maybe. It brings back old memories because when I started riding in Delhi, it was typically D&D first, and then the Greater Noida Expressway came up, and this used to be a favorite jaunt. Of course, then the other highways towards Gurgaon also came up, and then we started going there. But this one's always got a special place in my heart. The Greater Noida Expressway, the Agra Expressway. Always very nostalgic, brings back good old memories. Just see you guys in a bit. Bye. Back in the D&D toll. The last leg of the ride. We'll meet the group and then head back home. Alright guys, the ride's come to an end. These guys are going for breakfast to Sheraton Saket. I shall be heading back home. I will probably take a slight detour on the way to Lodi Colony. Gain this immense likeness for the walls in Lodi Colony. They make a great photo shoot op. So let's see if I go there, you will see it in the vlog or in the reel, or else I shall see you guys next weekend with a slightly longer vlog, more content. And till then, have a great week. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers, bye. Interesting wall. This is the first time I've noticed this wall. It's got a bike on it. Awesome. This should be good for a photo shoot. I love what they've done in Lodi Colony. It's awesome. Even this one's not bad. Very interesting. Yeah, sure, go ahead.